we are going to show you how to build a backyard rocket. Good luck, Lego astronauts, completing your mission.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off!
Yay!
So this is the baking soda, and this is the second thing you use. The first thing is vinegar. You put it in, but do not put too much in, or otherwise it won't go up very high. Second is the bottle. This bottle is the rocket. You put it on the cup, and then you put this in, and you pour it in here. Then you get a paper towel, you wrap it up in the baking soda, and then you quickly put the cork in the rocket, and then you put it on, and then you stand back, and then the blast off.
So first you pour about 1 to 2 inches of vinegar in the bottle. Next you put some baking soda on a paper towel, and then you roll it up in a certain way.
Pour it in a paper towel. You fold it, and then you roll it up. Then you bring it to the launch pad. You also need the cork.
Next you tilt the bottle sideways. Put the baking soda in and push it the rest of the way in with the cork, and vinegar stings, so make sure to put it back when it's done. And you should also stand back from the launch pad because it can spray pretty wide. Boom.
So, kids, do not try this at home. This is going to show you what's happening inside this rocket.
Thanks for watching. Produced by Finn
And Trevor.